In this video, I'm about to show you how to see on Instagram who you requested to follow. First, open Google Chrome and search for Instagram. Then click on the More option located in the bottom left corner of your Instagram page. After that, click on Your Activity. Now click on Download Your Information. Next, click on Continue to proceed with the download process. Then click on Download or Transfer Information. After that, select your Instagram username and click on Next. Now choose some of your information to proceed. Then scroll down and click on Followers and Following. Next, click on Next to proceed. After that, select Download to Device to download the file to your computer or mobile device. Now click on Data Range and choose All Time to retrieve data from your entire account history. Then click on Save to confirm your settings. Next, click on Notify to receive an email notification once your information is ready. Now check your email and review the format, which will be either HTML or JSON. Finally, click on Create Files to begin the process. Once the files are created, you'll receive an email with a download link. You can open this file to view the details of the accounts you've requested to follow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.